So good morning, everybody. This is going to be a backtesting session, probably for about half an hour or so. So let's just close my eyes and just pick one of these pairs here. Oh, where are we? Oh, we know it. We're not even on it. Let's try again. So AUD USD. So just flatline this. What we'll do is we'll go to, it's the 21st today. So we will go back 1 month. So 20th, 21st of August. Let's go 20th there. Right, so let's get rid of that. Let's move that across. Okay, so let's look at what's happening. Let's look at the bigger picture on this. Right, so where's our last inducement? We induced this low right here, this major low. We've been pushing bullish ever since. We've been pushing bullish, so we can expect price to, maybe come and take out some of this liquidity. So this is our target. After taking out this, we've got all this liquidity here, so we're currently pushing bullish. We can see we've got this high right here. Let's just have a little look into this bit here. So we had this this inducement right here, taking out this build up of liquidity. So this to me is a strong low. So if we're going to continue bullish, I expect this to hold. So I have the strong low, I have the target. Looks like we took out this liquidity right here. So we have this weak high. So we are currently bullish, targeting this high. After taking out this, we've pushed up. Look at the 4 hour. So we've taken out this, and now we've broken this low right here. It shouldn't have broken. If we're bullish, if this is the trap, and we're bullish now to target this, then I would expect strong lows to hold, and they didn't. It got broken. So if it got broken, then this was liquidity, and then these become weak, and we can expect this low to get taken before possibly driving higher to come and take this. So this could just be inducing buyers, taking them out, and then that move happens. It could be the play. So for right now, my target is going to be this low right here. So I'm going to be bearish until this low gets taken. Yeah, because this is a build up. This is just a build up of liquidity. It's just a channel build up of liquidity, just inducing buyers, take them out, and then move. And we have some imbalance down here as well, so that makes more sense. So yeah, that's going to be my bias. What's the time? Time is 9 o'clock, so we'll just go forward a little bit more. Let's go to the 15. Let's go to the 15. So what's this? 6:45. Okay, we have an imbalance right here. 15-minute imbalance. Let's go to the 5. Okay, yeah, we have a range right here. So this was a range, strong high. Strong high. Weak low. Let's go to the 1 minute. This is the liquidity right here. This is the liquidity right here. Let's see what happens if we take that out. Okay, so we took out the liquidity. Ooh, we took out the liquidity. try it. Let's go short right here. Stops right here. Target. See, you could target this low right down here. But once this gets taken, you're in a bit of trouble, because you could because price could come down, take this low, and then what's it left behind? You know, it's left behind liquidity. It's left behind more liquidity here. So it could, in theory, come back and take it and then start to drop. So you could, we'll see. I think, you know, as it's the first trade, we'll get into some profit. So we'll take a 9R if it works. That is, if it goes up again, then I might look to take shorts again. So let's see. It's looking good. We took out this low. Yeah, so we're looking quite good. Would I be break even on this? No, I don't think so. Okay, so we're up 9R. So that would have been a win. And you can just see, like, once price got down there, you know, just when I talk about these strong highs, like strong highs, strong highs, strong highs, they just hold. Look, even this strong high, price came down. This was just a little range. That's all it was. Price came up to mitigate, dropped. So all you got to do is get the direction right, and you kind of know how you want to enter and exit. So yeah, this was a win. Let's see if we can take this low out now. Let's go to the 5 minute. I don't know if I trust this high, sorry. I don't know if I trust this, because we've taken out external right here. So if we've taken out external, then all of this becomes weak. All of this becomes weak. So this could be a smart money trap. It could be. But it is a strong high. Strategy says I should probably take it, really, because I'm still bearish targeting these lows. I should take it. Let's mitigate this. It's the last time I mitigate the area. Take it. See what that looks like. Yeah, we'd risk it. We're in profit, so we'll risk it. Let's go to the 5 minute. It's risky. I'm in it. Very tight stops, to be honest, but the whole idea is that we just needed to mitigate this block, and then we can start to drop. So that's the idea. Okay, took a loss on that. Okay, so this was a smart money trap. This was a smart money trap right here. Oh, wrong button. Let's see what we get. Okay, so let's look at the bigger picture on this. This is the high. This is the high right here. Current range. So this is the high. This is internal range liquidity. It's just got swept. I'm bearish overall. I'm not going to let this short put me off. This was a smart money trap. This was also a smart money trap. Because this is where the move happens. And this got taken out. I'm going to go short again, right here. Short at this candle. Stops. Stops right there. Targeting these lows down here. This is internal. This is external. Obviously, once we take this out, be a bit careful because it could come back. But I think if we get down here, there's a good chance we're going to come and take this. So yeah, I'm in this trade. See how it goes. I always hate the initial bit. Once it starts to push a little bit, that's when I get a little bit more comfortable. Okay, yeah, short again. Right here, short here. Stops there. Target these lows. Yeah, yeah, we'll take it because this was the trap. This is liquidity. This is the high. This was the trap. We'll see. I'll take it. Haven't taken those lows yet. Okay, I'll close this one right here. Once we take out this low, I'll close this. And then I will go break even. No, I'll keep this open. I'll keep this open because we've taken this now. So this is the high. This is the low. This is the range. So price could, because we've taken out this liquidity right here, we could get a pull back into this range and then a drop. So I'm not gonna, yeah, I won't go break even. I'm trying. I won't be worried about taking the loss if it happens. So let's see. As frustrating as it is to watch, it's a what's that, 5 hour trade turn into nothing. It doesn't matter because this is the strategy. This makes sense. It makes, after it's taken out this, it makes sense to come back. And look at what we did. We've just induced buyers. You have all these stop losses under here, all these strong lows. So we've induced a load of buyers, and then we can get another tap in, and then we just take them all out again. So it no matter how frustrating it is to watch it come back, doesn't matter. It's all about, because it makes sense to do that. It's just whether you want to hold through it or whether you want to close early. And I've taken profit on this one, so I'm okay with this one. Let's see what happens. Okay, so now we're good to drop. Maybe. Let's play out a little bit more. go to the 5. Let's play this out. Okay, now we've got equal highs. Now you notice how there's no liquidity in here. There's no liquidity in here, it's just a gap. But now we've got equal highs. So if this gets taken, if I wasn't in this, I would take it again. And I might even do it. It depends what it looks like. So we'll see. If we take these highs. Well, this is a run of liquidity. Break a structure. This was a mitigation. Actually, we could have taken shorts here. Risky. I wouldn't have taken it with these highs up here. So we'll see. See what happens. I wouldn't take this with no liquidity. Okay, so we hit target. Just oh, here we go. Right, so we've hit target. 1 win, 1 loss, 2 wins, 3 wins. So now we've taken out the high time frame liquidity. Now I'm bullish, and we've just broken structure on this. This would have been a good entry, but there wasn't much liquidity where there was this. So yeah, this would have made sense, but I've missed it. So let's go to the 1. Go to the 5 again. Okay, so we're taking the high again. Taking the high again. Broken structure here. This looks like a build up. So now we've got a range from low to high. Just taking this. Could try the shorts, but I've missed it. Could try the shorts. Let's have a look what's inside this strong low right here. See, we've got imbalance. We've got imbalance right here. If price comes in here, I'll take the long. Something like that. 2 pips. Let's do that there. If price comes in there, I'll take the long. It'd be bigger, higher time frame targets, I think. I won't go there just yet. Could try and catch some shorts to come and take it out. Let's see what happens. It's taking too long. Oh. This is a high time frame liquidity. What's that? Okay, so we whipped in this one. So we're in this. Targets are going to be higher time frame liquidity. We've just taken out the trap. We've taken out this big build up of liquidity here. Taken out all of this. So now we could go for the opposing liquidity, which is this here. Could go for this daily high. That's it's a long way away. That's a 75-hour trade. That's a bit mental. I mean, I am in profit on these other ones by quite a good amount. So you could just risk it. is that what I do in real life? Probably not. You know, I would maybe take at this build up of liquidity. I would maybe look to fill this imbalance right here. That would make sense. We'll go 30R on this. So we'll go 30R. Take out this liquidity up here, fill this imbalance. That's a safe target. I think up here, 70R trade, would you hold that? Probably not. So I'll just try and be honest. So I'm in this, taking out all this liquidity. Let's go, let's have a look. So we've taken this high, we haven't taken this high. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Did we take that low? We took that low again. Okay, let's play it out a little bit. Right, we're getting into Asia now. Let's play out Asia. Right, so Asia's built this liquidity, inducing sellers into the market. We're right back at our entry here, which is a bit shit. We swept the low again. We've held this strong low. Let's have a look inside this, because I like it now, because we've swept these lows, but we've respected this strong low. And if we can get something in here like that, break a structure. See, we took out this liquidity right here. Yeah, let's have a look. Okay. Let's go long again. Let's go long here. Stops below here. 2.5. This, I like this better now, because like I say, we've taken out these equal lows down here. We've respected this strong low. We've pushed up, we've broken structure. So we've taken, this is quite messy. It's quite a messy little range here. But like, forget about all of this, right? All of this internal. This is all just traps, trying to trap people in certain directions. All you got to think about is this: strong low, weak high. And all of this is just noise, or just trapping people. As you can see, look, we trapped people in longs, we took it out. We trapped more people in longs, it's taken it out again, but it's still respected this strong low. So, and now we've taken out the last bit of liquidity. We've broken structure with volume. We pulled back. We've mitigated this block. We're in long. I like this one. I like this entry more than I like this one, to be honest. But I'm in both. I'm in both, and this one we're going to hold. We're going to take this one at 30R, and then this one we're going to hold right to the high, right to the daily. Oh, let me just right to the daily daily high up here. A big trade, but we're in this one. We're going to close this in nice profit and then just hold this one. I mean, obviously, in real, in the live market, do you have the psychology to hold this? You don't know, but this is back testing the strategy, not the psychology, obviously. So I'm just gonna risk it and hold it. Let's fly through this now. Hopefully we can get this win. Do we break this high? We're looking good. Still haven't broken this high. Still haven't broken this high here. Another entry right here. Could go long again if you weren't already in this. So we've come down, we've taken this. Like, look at this as a range. Look at this as a range. Look, break a structure, retrace, break a structure, induce buyers, taking them out. Let's see, we need a push now. Let's go to the 5. We need a push. Okay, this is another entry, but we won't take it. Whoa, whoa, Jesus. Okay, so this one would have been a win. We closed out of this one. It's a big move. I guess that's news. It must be 1:30, 3 o'clock. So yeah, probably some sort of news. 1 hour. Yeah, the big boy. Let's go to the 4. We'll play it out now. See if it can go to the high. So we're out of everything apart from this. Still holding onto this trade. So let's just see if you as a swing trader, you look at this in the same way as I looked at the 1 minute then, and you would be like, okay, this is a strong low. This right here is a strong low. This right here is a strong low. We just came in, we've taken out all this liquidity. You go long on this imbalance, stops right there. Target this high. Expecting this to hold, because now this is a strong low. So if this is the target and we're right on the bias, then this should hold until this gets taken. Beautiful. Okay, that's it. So we've got 4. Got 4, 80, 30. Yeah, 120, 124. 124. 124, 130, 139, minus 138, plus that 147. So 147R, which seems mental, and the reality is you probably wouldn't hold this. Yeah, I think in fact you'd be stupid to hold it, but I'm just showing, the strategy, like going from the higher to, because that's the whole strategy, lower time frame, higher time frame direction with lower time frame entries. But yeah, I mean, even without that, I mean, it was still a pretty good session. And even like I say, even if you wanted to play a little bit more, you're a little bit more conservative. Look, there's your entry right there. Just entry right there. Targeting these highs, and it all comes from just understanding where you were on the higher time frame. Understanding that this was your trap, and then once we took out the trap, we went to take out external. So, and the only reason you know this was a trap because, like I said, strong highs. If we're bullish to go and take out this, strong highs, or sorry, strong lows in this case, should hold, and this didn't hold. So if this got broken, then there's a good chance that this is liquidity now. And you can see we just took out the liquidity and then drove higher to come and take out this. And then you can see once we took out this, you know, what did we do? Look, strong low, you know, look at this, strong low, strong low, strong low, strong low, strong low, and they all held until this got taken. So yeah, but that's it from me. Just a quick one, nothing too special. I might try and do one session a week, and yeah, take it easy. Goodbye.